Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to check the internet speed of our network, means of our current network, means you can say the Wi-Fi, using Python. Okay, so first of all, for checking the internet speed, we have to install a library, okay, which is speed test CLI. Okay, it is a library speed test which is a command line based library. Okay, so you have to just write pip install speed test dash CLI, and then you have to execute your shell. So it will take few seconds, okay, based on your network speed. Okay, now you can say in my case it is saying that requirement already satisfied because I have already installed it. So in your case it will take some, it will download some properties and then it will be stored. Okay, now we'll create, first of all we'll import the speed test library. Okay, so we are going to import the speed test library as st. Okay, and then we are going to create a function. Okay, so we will create a function. In that we are going to do what? In that, first of all, we'll create an object of ours, speed test. Okay, uh, speed test function, a method which is present in the speed test library, which is used to take which is used to in which the download speed and the upload speed are present. And using that object, we are going to check the download speed and upload speed, and then we are going to check the ping also. So stay tuned. Let's begin with our coding. So first of all, let me create my method. So it is speed test. Okay, the method name is also, I'll keep it speed test only. Then I'll create a test object. In that I'll call my library name, for that I have given an alias name st. Okay, st dot, then there is a method speed test. Okay, now this is our method. Now what we are going to do, now we have to first check the download speed. So for that I'll take a uh, another object, you can say down speed or a variable, and then in this down speed I'll say test dot download. So for checking the download speed, there is an attribute method that is called as download, which is present in the object of this speed test. Okay, so you have to first apply this download on the object test. Okay, and then you can directly print this down speed also, but there is an issue when you will directly print the down speed. When you will print this down speed, it will give you the output in bits per second. Okay, so for suppose if your internet speed is for downloading is 28 mbps, so it will give you 2 crore 80 lakhs, okay, bits per second. So it will be very confusing. So for that, what we will do, we will round off. Okay, so we'll round off. Okay, we'll round off to 10 to the power 6, means 10 exponential 6. So we will just do what? We'll just divide our download speed, means our down speed, okay, with 10 to the power, means 10 exponential 6, or you can say 10 to the power 6. That is also fine. Okay, so with that, what will happen? It will divide uh, with 10 lakhs. Okay, so then it will be converted into mbps. And now we will give one more value, that is how many floating points we want. So we want only 2 floating points, so that's why we have given 2. Okay, then let's just do what? Let's just print it in an invertive way. So what we'll do, we'll just write here mbps. Yeah. So download speed in mbps is, and then we'll print our down speed, okay, in which we have stored it. Now let's do the same thing for the upload speed also. So let's take a variable up speed. Okay, and in this up speed, again on the object test, there is a method which we have to apply to find the upload speed, that is the upload method. Okay, and then again we'll do the same rounding. Okay, because the round means cause the upload method will also give in bits per second, so for that we have to apply the round method. Now in the round method, we'll take the up speed, divide it with 10 exponential 6 and round off to 2. Okay. And let's print it using the f strings that now this was for finding the upload speed. Now let's just do what? To find the ping. Now what is ping? So it is latency per second. Okay. It is the latency that how fast your internet works. Suppose there will be many people who play games, so they will easily understand that what is ping. It is latency. Okay. So now let's just check for the ping also. So for that, we'll just create a variable ping. And for that, we'll do what? From the results, we will use, means on the object, we'll use the attribute results. On that results attribute, there is one attribute ping. And then our ping will be stored in this ping variable, and we have to just simply print it. So what we're going to do, we will take the f string. And now let's just do what? Now let's just call our method speed test. Okay. So let's just call our method. So our method has means we have executed our cell, and let's see our kernel is being run, and now we got our download speed, that is, as you can see, 42.86 Mbps. Okay, it is in Mbps. Then now you can see the upload speed also, that is also in Mbps, that is 47.41 Mbps per second, and the ping is of 26, means the latency is 26. So this is how using Python you can check the internet speed of your connection, or you can say of your network. Okay, so I think you find this video very useful. Now if you want the source code, so for the source codes, what you can do, you can go to this website, that is clcoding.com. Okay, so you'll be able to find the source code, this code over there. You can copy the code from there. Okay, so I hope you like this video. We'll see you in the next